Yeah, John, when we go out.
Nahilo ako guys, ang pangit ng road. Pero nakapag-edit akong 18 minutes. Pero sakit sa ulo. Kunti na lang matatapos ko na to. Nahilo talaga ako. Ako nasusuka. Pag ilang stop na namin to, 4 na ata. Si Kuya nag-jacket ulit kasi malamig na yung hangin. Ha? Ah, gusto ni Sophie dito pero wala namang upuan siya. Una sila this time. Dito na tayo guys sa Berry. Ayan ang Berry Hotel. Pero hindi tayo dyan. But yeah, looks nice actually.
We're gonna stay there once then.
Here.
When? If we're not gonna...
That's all new.
Ah, yeah. Mga bago to.
Berry Riverside Holiday Park.
Yeah, Holiday Park. Ang ganda din.
Just in.
Tapos ayan yung river. Oh.
Dad, we could
Look at that
stay.
house.
Look, we
Yeah.
could have stayed in the cabin. Look what they are.
Nice cabin. Look at that.
That
Kung hindi
whole
namin dala yung
island.
caravan, kung hindi sumama sila Joe, isa dito ang ating uupahan. Kaso, may caravan tayo. Kasama tayo. Ayan.
Should be able to get that.
We're gonna have to
Ayan.
walk here, Dad.
Welcome to Berry Riverside Holiday Park. Ayan na si John. Nakapag-check-in na tayo,
And
guys.
I swear that's the pool. No, it's jumping pillow.
Dito si Joe. Yan yung kanilang slot for caravan. Kami dun pa sa may looban. Still maneuvering si Joey. Ginagabayan ni John. Si Kylie nandoon.
Parents, we can
Dito
come.
tayo, guys. Si Joe nag-aayos na dun sa kanyang caravan. Wala kaming kaharap or sa likod. So, mag-drive lang si John.
So, John, get out quick and watch that back.
Kailangan pa rin
Back
pala
that
ng
car.
guidance.
I'll turn.
Kuya. Okay, we're good. Ilalagay na lang yung annex. At saka yung mga pangharang sa gulong. And syempre, yung dalawang boys, tulong-tulong na sa daddy.
We have to put that mat.
Yan, nilalagay na ni Kuya dito sa side yung pangharang, si Sak sa kabila naman. Si Sak nag-escape na, nagpunta na siya sa jumping pillow with Holly and Sophie. Si Kuya yan, tinutulungan niya si Daddy. Pero tumulong naman si Sak. Nandito na yung mga nag-jumping pillow. Tinatapos ko lang yung aking ini-edit guys para may vlog tayo mamaya.
We're stuck in here. Oh,
Nap-
open it.
Napaka-conservative ni Kuya Sak. Mag-change kasi si Holly ng pang-swimming niya, so sinara ni Zach. Yes.
No. Hey! Is that a wetsuit?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Okay. Sophie will do it. Can you fix your undies? Kailangan yung mag-undies dito kasi very, very see-through yung kanyang,
Where's my...
pang-swimming. What?
In the caravan.
In the car.
No, it's in the caravan.
Okay.
See, just wait. And I got this. I got this for you.
Pinapakita niya yung skincare niya kay Sophie. And tinali ni Sophie yung buhok niya.
This is weird. I know. That's not all. Your ears.
Alis na
I need
sila.
to make them extra good, so I want to leave them on and then wash.
Just be careful, okay?
Okay.
Yes! Yes! Natapos ko guys. Saving na siya. And puntahan ko na yung mga bata sa pool. Si John. Ayan, nalagay niya na yung ating mat dito. Hi, Joey! And ayan pa si Kuya, nandito na rin siya. Si Kobe nandito din. Ang ganda ng weather dito ngayon. Kung wala lang hangin, mas maganda pa. Kasi yung araw medyo mainit siya. Kasi yung hangin, yung nagdadagat ng lamig. Ayan sila. Solo nila yung pool. Freezing? Huh? No, it's nice here.
It's freezing in in the pool.
Well, I told you that. Ang lamig daw ng tubig. Let's go. I told you. Maganda yung yung araw. Kaso yung hangin nga. Diyan pala si Chloe matutulog sa kanyang swag. Binavacuum niya lang. And si Kylie, nandun sa loob, naggagawa siya ng coffee nila. Hinahanap nila yung spa. May spa daw dyan eh. Ganyan na yung TV. And mayroong pupunta dito para ikat yung may kasi may sanga doon, yung branch ng tree. Ikakat kasi yung parang antena, hindi niya tawag lang, basta hindi niya basta yun na yun, guys. What happened to your antenna, ba?
No,
What?
there's a tree there. I can't open it.
Yeah, hindi niya mabuksan. Hindi niya, kasi kailangan pala yun, nakaganon yun, tapos kailangan niya patayuin ata. And uploading na ang aking vlog. Dapat kagabi to, pero yun nga, hindi tayo nakapag-edit. So, ngayon na lang gabi. So, ganap to nung 22. Ayan si Kuya, pero si Jan ang magpuputol. Nag-offer siya na lang. Ikakat niya. Ayan, kinat niya na.
Pruning wall, is that it?
Yeah, pruning. Ayan, naitayo niya na yung aerial. Hindi ba? Pero ang dami niyang pinutol na
Yeah, all good, Jai.
branches. And nakaligo na yung dalawa. Pangalawang banana bread ko na to. Simula na upo ako dito sa caravan. Ayan yung isa. Naubos na. And si Asuka trend lagi na tong nasa ko din. Utak. Yung parang laging yung kanta niya. Nasa isip ko lagi. And siya nagpa-practice behind the scene niya to. Ayan. Ibang nation naman siya. Mag-jacket na tayo kasi malamig na. Dito yung mga batang lalaroin sila ng footy. Yes. Ayan. Punta kami ng coast. We're here sa coast. May patrolling na tayo dito. Free fruits. Get the good one, Nag. Yeah, that one.
This one, Mom. No.
One.
You get two because you're on special.
Where's the sour cream here? Kuha silang ice cream. Mayroon pa rin yung mga nakukuha namin. Kumuha ulit ako ng lettuce kasi yung akin ay pang salad yan. Yan yung pang wraps nila. Chicken ko kasi naiwan sa bahay. Ayan, nisak yung sour cream. Di ko mahanap-hanap yung eggs. Hoy, kids! I'm here! Kasi nandito sila. Kasi dun sa coast, dun sa may sa amin, ang eggs nila ay nasa fridge. Eto, nandito lang sila sa kung nasa ng pancakes. Here, Han! You got eggs? Yeah, check it. Ito tayong pancakes. Buttermilk, original na lang. Ito, dalawa. What's that? Warheads. Okay, bayad na tayo, guys.
Don't forget the chickens on there.
Yeah, I want. So, meron tayong 5 paper bags. Okay, put away time. Yeah, we have to try. Okay, nilalagay na sa freezer yung mga cheesecake. Dalawang cheesecake, tapos may bula, yung drumstick and chicken tender. Yan yung dinner namin tonight. And paano natin ilalag? Si Kuya naka-trackers na kasi malamig na. Ha? Wala pa natin yan. Sa, can you move it here please? I need to put the milk. Thank you for helping. Juice milk here. Okay. Thank you. We're gonna use the oven.
Jack, how about the all-in one?
So, First time yata namin itong gagamitin. This is our first time to use this, right, Han? Nagamit ko na yung ano dito, yung induction oven.
Go like that.
180 and then press. Is it gas, Han?
Bro, I can't wait.
Excited siya sa kanyang
I
chicken
want to have
wrap.
like 3.
Chicken tender wraps.
Probably 4.
Okay?
I'm hungry.
Okay,
Cook
ayan.
like 15 days.
Yung isa dun.
And you're meant to have this
Yeah, I know, Han. I know how
this
na.
item when you're
Cooking. Okay. Yung eggs na lang hindi ko pa nalalagay, pero ayan na lahat.
oh,
Yung mga nabili natin. Tapos yung sa bahay.
going.
Nandun na. Yes, Han. It's going. Don't
Put some
worry.
paper around.
Siya na yung gumagawa.
Oh, you've already got Clopay.
Alright.
In about 10 minutes, turn it.
Oh, that's hot.
I know. It's hot.
About 10, turn it.
Okay.
No one.
Patapos na ako dito mag-put away. Last
Mom,
one.
you know the cheese, the cheddar cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Can you cut the carrots like that? That's how I like it.
Okay. So, eto, shred ko na. And, eto, gamitin namin para sa wraps nila. So, hugasan ko lang to. Yung akin kasi, para yun sa aking pang-salad. Asaan na yun? Andito yun. Hanapin ko mamaya. So, i-shred ko muna to. Ready na, guys. Ilalabas na lang sa oven yung chicken tender. Ayan na yung ating shredded, or chinap natin na lettuce and shredded carrots and tomato.
Tomato.
And yung
I'm making mine.
cheese. Wash your hands first. And yung wrap. Ayan, chicken tenders. And meron akong extra dito para sa aking salad. Yep.
Is that
Ayan na
hot,
yung kay
though?
Holly.
Is that
No,
hot
this is Kuya. Si Kuya ayaw niya ng lettuce. Si Sak siyang gumagawa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
enough? Go out and then we'll have sweets up.
So, ito yung kay Kuya. Ayaw niya ng lettuce. Si Sak, gusto niya siya yung gumawa sa kanya. Yung ganyan sa kanya. Sobrang laki. Yung kay Kuya, pinaslice niya. Si Holly, ayun na. So, ayan. Kain na sila.
Rock pie.
Yung akin, dito pa rin. Mamaya na ako sila na muna patapusin ko. Second round na si Jan. Si Sak second. Kuya first. You want more?
I
One.
want half.
Half. Ito yung half ni Holly. There you go, Baba. There's your plate. Kinakat ko na yung aking mga veggies, guys. Meron akong nakat dito na.
Fish in the current.
With who?
Kobe and that. We're gonna.
And ito yung red cabbage.
I might go on that.
Yung bait na gagamitin nila ay yung corn. Ha?
So I'm gonna ask Kobe.
Okay.
Kobe!
Si Kobe. So, ngayon, ang kinakat ko naman ay yung ating bell pepper. Wala lang minutes na lang ito. Matatapos na naman yung ating yung SD card. Next is yung green. I have, no, yellow pala. Wala akong green. Yellow bell pepper. So, iwain ko lang ito. Hindi ko inuubos siyang...
I'm just gonna. Who dropped the onions?
I did. Nasaan na yung aking... What? What you gonna get? Dessert?
Maybe you want some?
What's that one? Show to them what you're getting.
Maxi Bomb waffle one.
Okay. Close the freezer because it's gonna
No, we'll do that. Need to get some.
make a noise. Dessert na sila. Ako, wala pang dinner.
You haven't had dinner yet.
No, I haven't. Yeah. I wanna finish this first, so it's easy for me. Tomorrow, para isang kalat lang dito. Hiwain ko na to.
Where are we going?
You're going now? Gusto naman baon niya. Where are you?
Bobby?
Okay, see ya. Where's
Bobby.
na dito? Be careful, ha?
Yep.
Bring a torch.
What?
Here.
Bobby's got the phone.
Okay.
Love you, bye.
Love you too, bye. So, hiwain ko muna to. Tapos kasi tingnan nyo. 1 minute na agad yung ating paghihiwa-hiwa dito. Dito tayo sa kapitbahay. Tapos ko nang hiwa yung mga hiniwa ko dun. And ayan, dessert na sila. Lemon curd. Cheesecake. Ayan yung dessert ko.
still hard.
It'll be
I
right.
know.
Just
Kasi
cut-
galing yan sa freezer eh.
Don't make cut it.
So, ayan yung kanyang
Cut in, cut in.
dessert. Ang tigas pa ng biscuit. O, tumalsik. Hawakan mo na lang, han. Just hold it and bite.
Yeah, to be honest.
Yeah, because you cannot use the
Can't
spoon.
blow.
Time check, 9:30. Nag-hot chocolate kayo dito sa kapitbahay. And yung vlog ko, hindi ko alam kung na-upload na. Medyo matagal dito, guys. Yung uploading natin. But anyway, yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Good night, Baba.
Bye.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.